The Galaxy Watch 7 faces a daunting task ahead. It needs to surpass the already impressive Galaxy Watch 6 in a way that will captivate Android smartwatch enthusiasts, especially since the previous generations have started to blend together. Luckily, there are already indications of significant changes on the horizon. Following the release of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro in 2022 and the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic in 2023, it remains uncertain whether Samsung will continue with the battery powerhouse Galaxy Watch 7 Pro, opt for a stylish Watch 7 Classic, or surprise us with something entirely new. However, there have been whispers of exciting upgrades for the Galaxy Watch 7. Samsung provided us with glimpses of new software and AI tools during Galaxy Unpacked 2024, promising an enhanced experience compared to the Galaxy Watch 6. While details are scarce, let's delve into what we do know and speculate about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. More than 10 years after Samsung introduced one of its initial smartwatches, it seems that the company is reintroducing the square design for its Galaxy Watch. If you've been following Samsung's journey in the smartwatch market since the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Gear in 2013, you'll remember its 1.6-inch square-shaped Super AMOLED display, which was common among smartwatches at the time. However, if you've only recently started using Samsung smartwatches, you may be more familiar with the circular design that has become a trademark of the Galaxy Watch. Despite its popularity, Samsung seems to be ready to switch things up once again. Rumor has it that Samsung is considering bringing back the square design for its smartwatches, similar to previous models like the Galaxy Gear, Gear 2, and Gear Live. While the circular design has been well received, it appears that Samsung is exploring a return to its roots. The Gear S2 was the first Samsung smartwatch to feature a circular design and a physical rotating bezel, a design language that Samsung has maintained with the current Galaxy Watch 5 models. It remains uncertain whether the shift back to the square design will happen soon with the upcoming Galaxy Watch 7 series, or if Samsung will wait another year before making such a significant change. However, internal discussions suggest that the idea is being seriously considered, indicating that the switch is likely to occur. It will be intriguing to see how Samsung executes this change and persuades customers to embrace it once again, especially after they have grown fond of the circular design of the Galaxy Watch series. Exploring the smartwatch scene in 2024, we have the Apple Watch 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2 leading the pack with their sleek rectangular designs. On the other hand, Google Pixel Watch 2 and Google Pixel Watch opt for a more traditional round shape, setting them apart from Apple's offerings. It seems like the upcoming Pixel Watch 3 will follow suit, while the OnePlus Watch 2 has also embraced the circular face trend. The rotating bezel feature on circular smartwatches, like the one on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, has been well received by users. However, there are rumors that Samsung might be moving away from this design choice. The Galaxy Watch 6 made a significant improvement by reducing its display border to maximize the screen size. However, it seems unlikely that Samsung can further increase the display size for the Galaxy Watch 7 without compromising its weight. We can anticipate that the Watch 7 will feature 1.3 or 1.5-inch AMOLED displays, accompanied by a digital bezel for easy navigation through menus. Samsung also enhanced the display brightness to 2000 nits for the Watch 6. It's possible that Samsung might aim for the same brightness levels as the Galaxy S24 series, which reaches 2600 nits, or even the astonishing 3000 nit standard of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If any model is expected to have a brighter display, it would likely be the Galaxy Watch 7 Pro. Additionally, we can anticipate that all models will come with sapphire crystal display protection. However, that's probably the extent of what Samsung will do. Now here's something less probable but incredibly exciting. In October 2023, Samsung introduced its new micro-LED technology, primarily for televisions. However, rumors circulated that Samsung might develop a Galaxy Watch Ultra with this display, offering superior color richness, contrast, brightness, and energy efficiency compared to any previous smartwatch. It remains uncertain if this display technology is ready for smartwatches, as Apple believes it will take until 2025 to bring micro-LED to the Apple Watch Ultra and may not replace OLED in their mainline models until the cost significantly decreases. Nevertheless, in theory, the Galaxy Watch 7 Pro, or a potential Ultra model in 2024, could surpass Apple by delivering a remarkable display upgrade. Samsung has been making some interesting choices when it comes to the processors used in their Galaxy watches. They started off with the Exynos 9110 for the first 3 models, then switched to the Exynos W920 for the next 2, and finally settled on the Exynos W930 for the Watch 6. Initially, we assumed that Samsung would continue this trend and use the Exynos W930 for the Watch 7 as well. However, recent reports suggest that there might be a surprising upgrade in the works. According to a Korean news outlet, the Galaxy Watch 7 could be equipped with the Exynos W940, a 3nm chip that promises significant improvements in power consumption, performance, and size reduction. This rumor was further supported by tipster Roland Quant, who mentioned that the chip might be internally referred to as Exynos 5535, but will likely be renamed W940 for the official launch. Considering Samsung's focus on AI processing this year, it's worth wondering if this chip upgrade will also bring any enhancements to the NPU. However, at this point, it's all just speculation. One thing we can assume is that the Watch 7 will likely retain the same 2 gigs of RAM as its predecessor, but we hope to see an increase in storage capacity beyond the previous 16 gigs. Based on Samsung's past patterns with the Galaxy Watch series, we can make some educated guesses about what to expect from the Watch 7. The standard version will probably continue to feature an aluminum build, while a potential Watch 7 Classic or Watch 7 Pro might offer stainless steel or titanium options. All models should maintain the military standard rating for shock resistance and the IP68 dust and water resistance. In terms of health features, we can anticipate the return of the bioactive sensor for heart rate monitoring, ECG readings, and body composition analysis. Additionally, blood oxygen and temperature readings for sleep tracking should make a comeback. While Samsung is working on non-invasive blood glucose monitoring, it's unlikely to be ready for implementation in the Watch 7. Apart from these expected features, it remains unclear what new health technologies Samsung might introduce. However, we can certainly count on the Watch 7 to come with Samsung's wireless charging puck, offering fast charging speeds of at least 10 watts. It will also support the latest Bluetooth standard and include all global navigational satellite systems for accurate tracking. Overall, the Galaxy Watch 7 seems to be shaping up to be an exciting upgrade, and we can't wait. During the exciting finale of Galaxy Unpacked, Samsung unveiled a plethora of health, fitness, and software features that are set to arrive later this year, coinciding with the launch of the highly anticipated Galaxy Watch 7. Among the exciting additions, Samsung will introduce innovative smart sleep analysis indices and delve deeper into health patterns. While previous Galaxy watches already alerted users about low blood oxygen levels during sleep, the Galaxy Watch 7 will take it a step further with its BIA sensor, incorporating a remarkable Samsung sleep apnea feature that will notify you if you're experiencing this condition. As the launch of the Galaxy Watch 7 and Galaxy Ring draws nearer, eagerly anticipate discovering more about these remarkable health features. Furthermore, there have been whispers that Samsung will transition to Wear OS 5 in 2024, although specifics regarding its enhancements over Wear OS 4 remain unknown. The Galaxy Watch 6, as an Android smartwatch, was undeniably a top-tier device. However, there were certain areas, such as fitness tracking and battery life, where it had room for improvement. As someone who reviewed the Galaxy Watch 6, I have a few expectations for the Samsung Galaxy, Watch 7, and hypothetical Watch 7 Pro, hoping for a more thrilling release this time. In terms of battery life, the previous 3 Galaxy watches offered 40, 50, and 40 hours of estimated usage, respectively. Unfortunately, the Watch 6 took a step back, most likely due to its higher clock speed, which drained the battery faster than its small capacity could handle. Although it still surpasses Apple's 18-hour battery life, the real battery life of the Watch 6 drops to 30 hours or less when using more demanding features. Any additional battery life that Samsung can squeeze out would be greatly appreciated. Samsung managed to slim down the Watch 6 to a mere 12mm, making it one of the slimmest Android watches available. However, I believe that some potential Watch 7 buyers would be willing to sacrifice a slightly thicker design in exchange for an extra 10 to 15 hours of battery life. Of course, there will also be those who prefer a more compact and petite design. It will be intriguing to see how Samsung tackles this challenge. Overall, I'm excited to see what improvements and innovations Samsung brings to the table with the Galaxy Watch 7 and a potential Watch 7 Pro. With a focus on enhancing fitness capabilities and extending battery life, this upcoming release has the potential to be truly captivating. What are your predictions for the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch 7? Will it follow the trend of previous releases and launch in August 2024 alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 6? Samsung has a history of unveiling its watches and foldables together, so it's likely that we'll see them in July at the earliest. As for the price, Samsung has been gradually increasing the cost with each new generation. While we hope it stays at $300 and up, it wouldn't be surprising if they pushed it to $330. So, what kind of upgrades do you think Samsung will offer to justify the price? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.